Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Tuesday, September the 18th, 2012. We're going to be looking at a couple of charts today, starting off with the Russell 2000 Small Cap Index. We've been seeing a little bit of consolidation for the past couple of days, very light selling, basically just drifting sideways in some charts or a slight slope to the downside. You'll notice that the high points of one candlestick lower the following day, lower the following day, low points, lower the following day, lower the following day. This is just a tight little consolidation phase we're going through, and I believe we're actually going to break again to the upside here, and I've marked the chart as being that actually could see a bottom as of today. So this is important to note. If I see a higher high by 1 cent higher than this candlestick tomorrow, I would be a buyer. That's how I would trade that, with a tight stop at that point. I'm already long this particular trade. Now, this is more of me just telling you guys who may have been left out and missed a move or something of that nature, looking for an entry opportunity again back into it or something like that. This is an opportunity that I see out there in the market that can be setting up again to move higher, and this is not something you're going to want to miss. I like this move a lot. We've been talking about this for a while. Like I said, I'm still involved in this trade. I've got to stop way over here. This again looks like an opportunity setting up to move even higher. So this is something you want to be trading with. We want to work with this trend, not against it. The last alert I'm going to be showing you today, though it's not the last alert I've actually marked on my charts, I'll show you that in a second, but the strongest one, of course, would be the Russell 2000 Small Cap Index, which I showed you just a moment ago, and also the gold chart. This is something else I would definitely keep an eye on. Beyond that, the AORD is also showing some signs that if you get a breakout to the upside, a higher high, then that'd be something you want to buy as well, but we'll talk about that in a second. Right now, looking at gold, we talked about this one a while back, and of course, you could trade silver rather than gold if you wanted to. Basic overall chart patterns are similar. This one just a little bit stronger, a little bit better defined for me, so I've marked this one. Last time we were here, seeing this little downtrend, you saw that high point, lower high at the same time, lower low. This continued. I told you at that time, if you get a breakout of 1 cent higher, then you want to be a buyer. That happened intraday. You broke through that trend. You could have been a buyer there. Traded this to the long side here. Now we're seeing consolidation, same overall pattern. High point, lower high, low point, lower low. Now we've hit a point that could be a reversal point because it's a hammer candlestick formation. That's typically where you start to find bottoms. So look for this to possibly move higher. If this starts to move higher, even by 1 penny higher than today's high, I'd be a buyer with a tight stop set right there. It's pretty easy to trade that. For those of you who have not been to the free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free, and all we ask in return, of course, is refer a friend. The one item that I wanted to show you guys on this website today is that there are actually several other market charts that I update every single night, and a couple of them I've actually got buy signals already on. So I actually marked them tonight, so you may want to check them out here. They're always there. You can, again, these are my personal notes on my personal chart, so you will know everything that I know as it happens, okay? God bless, take care, see you in the next one. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.